Hey guys, what's up? Hall of Fame Graphics on Instagram here, and today I will be showing you how to make an matchup template kind of like this, so you can use it to make these types of edits, and we're just going to hop right into it. So you're going to need Leonardo for this, and first what you want to do is just create an empty black image and change it to 2000 by 2000. And there you go. And then what you want to get is these types of clouds. Let me find it here. This thing. So I'll leave the link to all this stuff in the description. And turn the opacity down to around 25, I think it is. Get it. Hard light and on 30 or 25, doesn't really matter. So put it on hard light and put it up to around 30. And then you want to get these white rectangles. Again, all this stuff will be in the description in a Google Drive folder. And what you want to do with this is do that and turn the brightness all the way up to make it white. And then you want to make it like this, so that will be where your player's image will go, and then this is where your team logo will go. There you go, that should be good. And then you want to duplicate that, and then put this thing at the top. And you want to make it as even as possible so it looks good. I'm not going to try to make it perfect for the sake of time, but for you should probably try to make it perfect. And yeah, that's good. And then how are you going to put in the images? So I'm going to take an example right here. So the Golden State Warriors. So what you want to do, the logo at the top here, kind of like that, and then move this thing all the way down here. And then try to make it fit the rectangle so there's no black showing. And then you just want to mask it out so it's only in the rectangle. And then do that. And to make it, alright, actually there's something at the top, sorry. To make it look as cool as possible, I found out, well, I didn't find out, I just did this, so I only made the jersey colorful. I made the player black and white. That should be good. And then move it above the logo. Okay. And then mask out the edges here. And then you can do that for the other side. Same thing for the other side. And it'll turn out something like this. I made 6 of these. So something like that, that, and that. And once you're done with that, you're going to go back to Leonardo, and there's one more thing. You want to add this border thing. I mean, I think most of you have it, but I'll still link it anyways. Right here. And then just take away the black. And then make it big to fit the screen, or the image, sorry. Okay, that should be good. And then you can add your watermark, save it, add your watermark on Fonto. And yeah, that's basically it. Again, guys, please go follow me, Hall of Fame Graphics, on Instagram. I try to post there every 2 days, or every day at least. And again, thank you for watching. See you later.